my friend Tennille for breakfast, and the pastries and the breakfast are so incredibly scrumptious. I'm Jennifer Duran, your hot little dish. I feel like little angels have sang over this brown butter bundt cake. It is so incredibly moist and delicious. You guys have to get that. I got the eggs benedict. The hollandaise sauce is to die for. I think it's one of the best in LA. Stuffed, and I love Sycamore Kitchen. I hope you guys did too. I highly recommend the eggs benedict, and make sure that you get a pastry, and that's the dish.